I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and a quick backup of your important settings. Open Start, choose Settings, then Personalization right away so you don't waste time. Once done, click Lock Screen, because that's where the startup image and shortcuts are controlled. Make sure to review background and apps permissions. You'll need them in the next step to change or remove the image that appears at boot. You'll now remove or replace the visual elements that appear before sign-in. Change background to solid color to eliminate images, and disable Windows Spotlight or Slideshow options to stop dynamic content. Next, toggle off tips and suggestions under Notifications to reduce overlays. If the lock screen still appears, use the registry editor carefully. Navigate to You're almost done. Restart your PC to confirm the startup screen is gone and sign-in appears directly. If the lock screen returns, don't panic. Restore the registry backup you exported, then reapply the no lock screen change or use Group Policy Editor if you're on Pro or Enterprise. Make sure updates didn't revert settings. Check after major Windows updates. If problems persist, create a system restore point and revert to it. Then repeat the safe registry or policy edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.